12 students, we will solve integration problems from past paper. If we see x square plus 4x plus 3, this we can factorize into so the problem becomes we can cancel. Now if we have integration 1 over x dx, it is natural log x plus constant. Since it's a linear, it will become we will solve the next problem. Just remember, if it is 1 over x square plus 1 dx, then never put like this. This is wrong. For this, the correct answer is remember x square plus a square 1 over a tan inverse x by a plus c. We'll go to the next problem. Integration 1 over 1 minus sin x. So for this problem, if we remember, we know 1 minus sin square x equals to cos square x. I have 1 minus sin x. We remember a minus x into a plus x, e square minus x square. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by it will give us so now we will do if you remember 1 over cos square x is sec square x. Sin over cos tan. Now we know sec square x integration is tan x. Sec x tan x is sec x plus constant c. Let's solve third problem from 2000 exam. Again we will do multiplication numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin of x. This will give us one minus sin square x one minus sin square x, we can write cos square x. This we will expand. Now 1 over cos square x So we remember the equation 1 plus tan square x is so we can replace tan square x by so now we can bring together so the answer will be integration of sec square x is and 2 we already have and integration of 1 is x plus c. Why integration of 1 is x? Because 1 we can be written like x to the power 0 and integration of x to the power 0 is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now let us solve the next problem. X plus 1 plus root of x plus 2. So here also we will use rationalization theory. So if I rationalize, I have to multiply numerator and denominator by one time plus already is there, so minus so we remember a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So let us put so it will give us x plus 1 minus bracket x plus 2. So if I open this bracket, I get numerator and denominator. I will open the bracket, so this will become minus x minus x went 1 minus 2 minus 1. So if I have a minus 1, I can just interchange so minus. We remember integration of root x dx is x to the power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus c, and we have to remember this should be a linear function, linear, no square, cubic, sine, cosine, this is just linear. So we can turn this into x plus 2 power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus. And since there is no coefficient to x, we don't have to do anything. If we had integration of 2x plus 1, then we have to divide by 2, because derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. But since here the coefficient of x is 1 only, we don't have to divide. So let's jump into the next problem. 1 minus x multiplied by root x. We can open a bracket and let's do root x minus x root x so this is x to the power half minus x. We remember x to the power m, x to the power n, it becomes x to the power m plus n. So 1 plus half 3 by 2. It gives us integration plus c. So we did integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Let's solve our next problem from 2001. It looks big problem. Let's try. So if we remember, we know integration of as a 10x, and we remember integration of cos x square x as minus cot x. So we know these two integration, and always we can convert. One more formula we remember, 1 plus so when I open, I will get 10 square x, so I can convert it to sec, and I will get cot also, so I can utilize this formula. So once I have sec square x and cosec square x, it will be simple. And we remember 10x into cot x is 1, because cot x is inverse of 10x. So let's open. A minus b, the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we get 3 square 9 minus 2 into 3 into 2, 10x into cot x 1 only, now we can replace cot by this formula, ten by using this. So further simplification will give us minus 9 minus 12 plus 4. Minus 12 minus 8, it will give minus 17. And now we know integration of cos x square x, so it gives 9, answer 9 minus 9 cot x plus 4 tan x minus 17x plus c. So integration of constant is x. So here we have a linear function. It is not quadratic or cubic or exponential. So we can just put 7 minus 4x equals to t. So minus 4 dx, differentiating both sides. Derivative of constant is 0. 4x becomes 4 minus 4 dt. So now I can replace dx by this. So this equation becomes dx is, so now minus 1 by 4 is a constant. I will take it out. We know integration of 6 square x is 10x. So using this formula, now I can replace t by original value, which is this is minus sign. Let me make little clear. Let's jump into one more problem. Yes, let's see this problem. So here also we can replace x minus a by t. So then we can divide and simplify. So I will say x minus a equals to t. It means x equals to t plus a, and dx equals to dt, because derivative of a constant a is 0. So this turns this problem into x is t plus a. So now we remember formula of sine of a plus b. So when sine, we know it is sine cos and plus sine. So here plus sine and cos sine. So let's expand numerator. So when we divide, we know a plus b divided by c is a over c plus b over c. We will use same formula. So sine over sine t cancel, we get constant, plus cos divided by sine, we get cot of t. And there is a direct formula for integration of cot of t. So we can apply that formula. So integration cos of a, it's a constant, so cos of a into t plus sin a will come out, and cot t, there is a formula like cot t was cos divided by sin if you remember. If I put sin of t as a new constant, say u, then du equals to derivative of sin is cos of t dt. So this gives me integration of du divided by u, and 1 over u is natural log of u plus c. So integration of cot t is natural log of sin of t plus c. So now I can replace t by original value x minus a. So that will give us a final answer. Cos a into t is x minus a plus sin of a natural log. Sometimes some books they write natural log, just log sin of x minus a bracket complete plus c. Let's dive into next problem. When you see you have a function and its derivative, then always is put sin of x as a t, and derivative of sin of x is cos of x dx equals to dt. So 2 by 3 is a constant. I will take it out. Cos x dx is dt and sin of x t square. So this is a simple now. 2/3 integration t to the power minus 2 dt. So 2 to the power 3, 2 by 3, and here we get minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So that gives me 2 by 3 t to the power minus 1 minus 1 plus c. So minus 2 by 3 1 by t plus c minus 2 by 3 plus c. So all these problems they carry around 3 marks. So just keep eye. Can you find a function and its derivative in numerator? So if you find such a problem, always assume that as a t and derivative you can replace. Yes, let's solve this problem. When you say x square, then you should strike like the formula 1 over x square plus e square dx. So just we have to convert into this form. It is 1 over a tan inverse x by a plus c, because we remember derivative of tan x, tan inverse x is 1 over x square plus 1. This is a derivative. So if we had derivative of tan over x by a, this will be 1 by x by a the whole square plus 1 into we do derivative of this, which is 1 by a. So if we simplify, we are getting x square plus a square. A square is coming down. Yeah, so it is giving me a over x square plus a square. So that's why when we do integration of 1 over x square plus a square, our answer is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c, because this a will go other side. So let's erase this formula now. We will start solving. I can take 2 out. So 1 by 2 out, 1 over 25 is 5 square. So what was the formula? We just saw integration 1 over x square plus a square dx is equals to 1 over a tan inverse x by a plus c. So we will use this formula. So integration will become half 1 over a. So here a is 5 tan inverse x is just linear x divided by 5 plus constant c. So 1 over 10 and constant into half constant, it will give constant. So we can just say new constant c. Let's dive into next problem, and the formula for a square minus x square. So there is a formula for under root 1 minus x square or under root a square minus x square. Here it is not under root. This one is sine inverse x. So what we can do, we can just factorize. So let's erase